In the year 2005, my wife gave birth to our third and youngest child. After 3 days, she suffered severe head migraine. I was forced to bring her back to the hospital, and the doctors then diagnosed that she needs to go to MRI. Nung nag-MRI na si Mrs., bigla na lang, mga 6 in the morning or 7 eh. Bigla na lang yung nurses sa loob ng ER, sumisigaw na ng code blue, code blue. Ako naman, di ko naintindihan. Kung may nurse ba dito na nakikinig at nanonood, ano ibig sabihin ng code blue? Critical, emergency, oo, pwedeng mamatay. Exactly. So I saw my wife being stretched out in a stretcher, nagko-convulsion na, nag-seizure na. On the third seizure, nag-comatose. Comatose. My wife was under comatose state for 7 days. We stayed in the hospital for 21 days. On the 8th day when she was awakened,